Sinusubaybayan niyo ba kung ano ang negosyo ko? Ito na nga. Ito na yung House of Franchise. Okay. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin yung package na kinuha ko. Yung package na kinuha ko is 17,888. Yung promo ngayon, yung promo na 3,000 plus worth of barley yung naibigay sa atin. Di ba? Ang bait ng pagkakataon, meron tayong freebies na 3,000 worth ng barley. Ngayon, nasa sa atin na yun kung gusto nating gamitin or gusto nating ibenta. Ngayon, meron tayong iniintay kay ate kasi naibigay na nga yung bayad dun sa watch. Sorry ulit. And then, aantayin na lang natin yung process ng anong kailangan natin gawin, ano yung mga i-post natin, ano yung mga i-share natin, paano natin siya i-market, paano natin siya i-post sa social media, sa ang social media. Pero kasi ako, gusto ko siyang i-brought up dito sa YouTube para mas marami ang makaalam. Eventually, pag nagkita din kami sa Pilipinas, mag-guest ko din siya dito sa YouTube ko. So ngayon, mag-intay na lang tayo kung ano yung mga i-message sa atin ni ate. Ito na nga! The long wait is over! Meron na tayong link! At kung paano gawin to, sundan nyo lang tong step na to. Open nyo lang po yung Facebook nyo, then puntahan nyo yung profile ko, then scroll down lang, makikita nyo yung link ng Show My King. Then yung isa pa na JC, yung JC Varley, pwede nyo pong i-click yan kung gusto nyo po ng JC. Kahit saang bansa po tayo, pwede po yan. Pag kinlik nyo po yan, yan po ang lalabas sa inyo. Then, pipili lang po kayo kung anong barley ang gusto nyo. May beauty products din po kasi dyan. Pero more on, introduce ko si barley kasi mas maganda ang benefits ni barley. Pwede nyo rin pong mabasa dyan kung anong benefits ng barley o pwede nyo rin pong i-search si barley kahit saan siya. Barley is from New Zealand.
Greetings JC Premier distributors, Alan here from Evolutionary Health in New Zealand. Here we are on some beautiful organic barley fields situated in the deep South Island of New Zealand on the Canterbury Plains, some of the most remote places in the world and unpolluted and some of the best alluvial soil. So we're harvesting this organic barley field for the JC Premier organic barley product. Barley grass is not actually a supplement, it's a food. And being a food, it allows your body to digest all of these great nutrients, adds vitality to every area of your life. It gives you great skin, good muscle tone, helps you lose weight. And here we produce some of the finest barley grass in the world. The best time to harvest barley is when the shoots are about 20 to 30 centimetres high before it turns into a grain. It's more like a vegetable at this stage, and this is when the nutrient values are the highest in the product. You'll see that there's a milling machine which is going along cutting the barley grass, and then it's putting it into big cages on the back of the milling vehicle, and then we've got the tractor moving the cages over to the transportation, and it's just at the perfect time for harvesting. We get the young grasses as they are, and from here we transport them to the mill, which is located about 10 minutes from here, so we keep it fresh and it is processed immediately after harvest to preserve all those valuable nutrients.
Good morning, my name is Andrew McKenzie. I'm the production manager here in Canterbury, New Zealand. This is where your JC Premier Organic Barley comes from.
Assure Quality is a government-based accreditation service that certifies organic different businesses around New Zealand. It's a guarantee for you that strict quality standards are followed in every step of the process, from the farming right through to the processing, even through to the packaging. Only JC Premier has the best quality organic barley in the world for you and your family.
Stay healthy and
welcome to the good life.
Please do add to cart. Then, lalabas naman po dyan yung details pag na-add to cart nyo na. Then, check out. Kayo na pong bahala magbigay ng kung ano pa ang details na meron po kayo. Then, proceed lang po tayo ng proceed hanggang ma-process na po yan. Ganun lang po kadali mag-order ng barley from another country. Ilalagay ko na lang din po sa description below dito sa YouTube yung link ng barley at saka ng siomai. Doon naman po tayo mapunta sa siomai natin. Sa itaas naman po niyan, i-click nyo lang po yung siomai na link. Then, lalabas na po dyan yung mga product ng siomai. Kung magkano po siya, ilang pieces. Huwag po kayong mag-alala, hindi naman po ako ang magpa-process niyan eh. Automatic system po yan na sila na po ang magpa-process niyan, sila na magdi-deliver, sila na bahala. Maraming salamat po at hanggang dito kasama nyo pa rin akong gumagawa nito at nanonood. Ipinapakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya gawin, paano orderin. Napakadali lang po. Maraming salamat po sa mga advance sa mag-order ng barley at saka ng siomai sa Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Please do order. Dati subscribe at saka follow no? Ngayon pa-order na. Order naman kayo dyan. Maraming salamat sa inyo. God bless.